Claude Design can make your development phase much more faster. Right now, you can see in my left there is a simulator running my application which built using React Native and Expo, and here in my right which is handling each and every single segment of this particular design. In this video, you're going to learn each and everything is required for the Claude Design. First of all, the good thing is that whenever you are designing using the Claude Design and building using Claude, the design segment can match 90 to 95%. Especially if I let you look in my Claude like object kit store right here, the design here. So this is that object kit, and if I tap on the launch icon, it has also its own screen setup to launch over here. And then let's go click on sign in. After signing with the Apple, if I go in the shop and you just look at it, the similarities is pretty same structure. You can see right here almost the same. I think it's more than 95%. That is all are same right here. There is some more minor changes which gonna reflect later on, but almost all are same. And now how we build it, especially if you go through my chat right here, I just started to build an application which is a fully functional e-commerce application, not a single segment. As you can see right here, this application has a proper logo segment right here, a full like a mark here, the lookups, the color, and also the ground, reverse, and one color in use setup, so do, don't. So every single compression, what the way the Figma as well making the designing before, and we can now create everything from the scratch using the Claude Design. Then we also have the web version right here. You can see the object kit web, so the same variants can work, the same design segment can work here. I'm not using any images because that's just, it's gonna be, you can use the images, so I keep it clean without any images, because images I'm gonna take it to the production whenever I require to have the image. Because right now if I go in my browser, browse product, you can see I can view the products, especially if I also go in my phone, the design segment right here, to just view from the simulator. You can see that almost everything is similar, everything is perfectly collaborated and much more configured. So I'm going to go and get the sign-in setup, and then in the browse, as you can see, all are systematically getting it better. Also, it has the saved version, like whatever the product I will save or not. And then also it has my bag item, so it should be in the cart. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna let go, just let's go check on that. I'm gonna add to the bag, view bag, and you can see right here I can view my bag. So that's the same thing gonna happen right here. If I go add to the bag, I can increase the quantity. I will just try to get one more setup. Let me just go get it, add to the bag, go view items. You can see I can now go through the prices, I can go through the checkout, I can see the address, payment, review. So all segment is right now available. I can also choose standard carry or white club install, so it depends how the way we can go through it. And then if I put my card, if I will just add a default dummy card right here, so for 2 and 34 1 2 3, and it will make the place order. Right now I can also be able to track the order. So all of those segment, all of those scenario, as you can see right here, is covered right here. So this is just the way it's gonna be passing by, so everything gonna be perfectly aligned. And then I think that's how you're gonna look up to create that. So let me see that. You can see I can also change my delivery window and others. Now let's just go back. I'll go in the account, in the settings here. I have my delivery address. I can add a new address as well. I have my payment method. I can add a new card, and then I have my saved object, which is currently an empty segment. And over here also I have my notification on, and then I have my return setup, like whatever the segment and e-commerce application can have for the client side interactivity. Then I have my admin console right here. If I click on that, it's gonna open my own dashboard where I can see a proper analytics data right here. And as you can see, this all are designed perfectly. I can go with the 7-day, 30-day, 90-day. Just you need to connect your API, perfectly fine. All that are gonna be retrieved or coming by right here. And this entire design, just I'm saying, I'm guiding him what I want using the Claude Design, just chatting, nothing else, just chatting. I never just created any single circle here. Everything design created by the Claude Design. And now if I go click on the orders, I can see I can make it mark as picked, I can go in transit, I can also build details over here. That's how we can do. I can also click it as mark as delivery, and it's going to reflect with the setup. And then I have my catalog right here. If I click, I will see the single viewpoint of this application there. I can edit the product, I can type the name. Let's say I'm going to go with that demo. I can change it, I can save the changes, and you see the demo is reflected. So that's the way I can change, I can make it possible. This all are live. I can make it hidden, I can make it live. That's up to me. However I want, it can be done. And also if I go in the queue, I can see the publish or reject. So this is also can be managed, and in the manage setup I can manage my customer, I can manage my discount product, I can manage my store settings, whatever store I have. I can also manage abandoned cart, so I can make a set nudge that, you know, reminder that your product in the cart for a long time, please do the checkout or something else. Now this is really a perfect observation whenever you are building such an e-commerce application, and the design flow is right there. Now whenever you are having the design, if you're using the Figma, you need to connect especially your MCP server right here. Especially right now, if you are using the Claude right now, so let me just go to bring my Claude desktop right here. Now if you want to use the Figma, what you're gonna do, you need to go directly in your connectors. Either you need to connect, you see right here my Figma is connected, so you need to connect your connector, Figma connector, and within the MCP you need to provide the token, but it will match your design in variance maximum 70 to 80% maximum it can be done. But whenever you are using the Claude Design, you don't need to have anything of that. You just need to click on share button right here, and then you can see the Claude code. You just copy here, click here, you can copy, you can see right here, you can download the zip, so entire document it will download, and you know, then you can just drop it in your Claude code and automatically it will make the design. But the best thing from my side is that copy the prompt, because this is using my same account, so it can read each and every single segment from here. So whenever I'm going to copy that, right now I want to build that. So what I will do, if I copy, let me see, I'll just open the Claude right here. So Claude, and you just need to provide that. Let me just check which model I'm having here. So I have my Opus Fable 5, all models, like whatever models is available. Now here I will just simply pass that. So build the application based on it. That's it. You just need to pass that. That's it, and it will start building and popping things up. That's how I build this entire segment. As you can see, especially if you look at the structure, you need to mention certain kind of things, that whenever you are building the application, you need to guide the Claude code that you should use the latest packages. Otherwise it tend to use the old packages. So you need to make sure whenever you are building, beside the command, you need to additionally write a proper prompt where you're going to deliver that you need to provide the best way the latest packages. That's how it's going to carry on that. And as you can see, the structurable data here, I have my Claude, I have my Expo, everything is top notch. Especially if you see in the scripts and others, I have my source, I have my app, auth setup, tab setup, I have my admin portal setup, journal, because it has those things. If you go directly in the back to shop, and then if you just browse the setup right here, let me just go to you see the from the journal, click over here, you have your journal. That's the blog here. So this is how, if you just let's say I'm gonna just provide a simple good stuff, you see, good stuff. So that's how it's gonna carry on that. This is so beautiful. And whenever I was building that, I will also attach another video in the link in the description here, so you're gonna understand how simply we can make it done. And of course I'm gonna create this entire video for you from the scratch, no worries about that. But good thing is that in this segmentation right here, I have some more good part. I can also change the theming and other pattern. But what I really like here is that I have my web. So from creating especially the web, I now created also a web version of the application, and this web gonna handle each and everything. It has all the setup which we require. So to create the design is pretty simple using the Claude Design. So I hope you're gonna understand it. So right now, to let you show how you can create the design, you just go in the Claude Design. Either you need the mobile app, you can choose any design flow right here, either the modernist, classical, or you can dump your own setup, own design segment, own design system, and you can just go with that. You can attach your file, you can connect your GitHub component right here. Then you need to choose either the mobile design or the slides or the document or some more. So most of the time I'm going with the mobile design, or you can just simply choose and blank and then carry on that. Because what we did right here, we have a Figma design as well. Then we try to recreate the setup using this particular phenomenal of the to create it the best way possible. And it create a very fantastic e-commerce application based on our Figma carrier. It created the Grovia, which gonna be land very soon in this channel, which is fully designed using the Claude Design. So are you interested to build or create your own design using the Figma design? I'm very much interested, and I'm using it each and every day. Whatever the video gonna dropping by, whatever the project gonna dropping by in the next segment in this channel, you're gonna find it that we use the Claude Design to create or design those things. And also, it's not only the client, it also has the admin segment, which is perfectly fine. And from the Figma to right here, it copied around match 96 to 98%. And I believe when I'm gonna building that, it's gonna be also matched particularly on that. We're gonna build that video very soon in this channel. So let me know, are you really comfortable with the Figma with the Claude Design instead of Figma? Because as I'm not a designer, so I love it very much. So it's now up to you. Do you like it? So let me know in the comments, and let me know if you really want the code. If you want the code, if the 10% put the comments that they want this code right here, I'm going to provide that the link in the description, so you can directly grab from here. So give me 10 comments that you want the code. I'm going to ship that for you. So I hope this video can help you to, or it can persuade you to use the Claude Design to design yourself. And I'm gonna see you in the next video.